Hey guys, as I'm recording this, it is still Sunday of week 7, and I just wanted to take this time to appreciate the sales that we just got in today. Sold a Bible here, sold a clock, VHS rewinder, and 2 coin roll wrappers. I'll go over the prices and everything in just a second. Just want to appreciate this current batch of sold items. Hey guys, this is 2 with Beach Media, and welcome to week 8 of my eBay business. It is currently Tuesday, and I'll be going over the sales with you guys from Sunday and Monday, but for right now, let's focus on the sales that we just got today. We actually sold 2 items today, and I'm just gonna grab them and throw them in a poly mailer. All right, so we finally sold the last of these 2 tennis straps. If you recall, in one of the earlier episodes, I picked each of these up for $1 a piece, so was able to make a decent profit. I'll be putting the listing on the screen in addition to the net profit of this particular item, and I should probably go over how much I made overall. So I also have on the screen how much I made overall from picking up all of the tennis grips. So that sold as a lot of 2. I also sold the Texas Instrument calculator that I got at the bargain bin, so I'll have that listing on the screen as well, in addition to the net profit. So I was able to sell 2 things today, decent price. I think I sold this for $9.99 and this for $23.99 plus shipping, so awesome stuff. So let's get to the stuff that sold on Sunday and Monday. Hey guys, so I thought it would be easiest for me to just sit at my computer screen for this part of the video. I just want to show you guys what sold on Sunday and Monday. And for the first thing, I sold 2 coin wrappers. So 2 different orders of these coin wrappers for $4.99 each with free shipping. I actually did end up losing a little bit of money on these 2 orders. I lost 27 cents on the one and then 10 cents for the other as a result of the ad fees. So altogether for those 2 orders, lost 37 cents. I mostly just want to start building up on my feedback. So that's one of the reasons I've been selling these. However, I do believe that I will be stopping selling these at this point. I have 1 more left that I did raise the price to $5.25. That way I don't at least lose that much. I mean, if it's a few cents just to get some more feedback on my eBay profile, so working out there. So after selling those 2, also sold this alarm clock for $23.99, and for that one made a profit of $8.56 because I did offer free shipping for this one, and shipping was about $8 in addition to getting charged an ad fee of $1.56. So not a huge profit. Also, my buy cost for this one was about $2. Sold a PS2 Jack and Daxter game. Let's see here. I made a profit of only 91 cents on this one because I did, again, offer free shipping. Shipping for this cost about $3.22 minus the PayPal, eBay fees, only netted 91 cents. So not a very good profit margin there. Next, I sold a set of 3 of these Wilson tennis grips for $13.99. For this one, I actually made a profit of $5.61. My cost was $3.18 because $1 for each. Shipping for this was really cheap because they were really light, only $3.09. So very happy with this sale. Next, I sold this Radio Shack tape rewinder. I still have not received payment for this, so I'm not going to be counting this as a sold yet, but I just want to let you know I did receive an offer for $9 and just haven't received payment, so we'll wait to see back on that one. Last thing I sold was this 5-disc changer for $27.99, $17 for shipping, and this was a pain to ship. I'll tell you what, had to make a box for it and everything. It was a mess. So I'm really glad to at least get this one out of the way. We have 1 more of these, but a newer model. The profit for this was $19.53. So in the end, it did work out. You know, just purchasing this one, my buy cost for this was $3.16. The other one, my buy cost was, I think, around $7. So I will not be picking these up again. I'm just hoping the other one sells relatively soon. I'm able to box up and get it out of here. So yeah, that's what sold on Sunday and Monday. Now I know my latest couple episodes have been about 18 minutes and 20 minutes, so I want to try to cut down on the episodes a little bit, maybe make them like 10 to 15 minutes in that range. So I'm just gonna show you guys the important stuff and try to show you guys what's actually selling and what I'm picking up. So gonna be making these episodes a little quicker pace just to make it more interesting for you guys. Hey guys, it's currently Wednesday and last night I received an offer for $12 on my listings for these capsules that I picked up at the bargain bin. And I accidentally had the listing as a lot of 6, where in actuality I only have 5. So I tried contacting the buyer to see if he would respond, but he had already sent me the payment. So I'm just gonna ship these out and see what happens. Hopefully he doesn't leave me any negative feedback. I sent him a message saying that I made a mistake on the listing and I gave him 24 hours to respond. So tonight I'm gonna print out the shipping labels and totally willing to give him a partial refund or a full refund. But yeah, I'll keep you posted. Hey guys, so we're back in the eBay space and I just received the package today from Amazon and I decided to purchase a little something for the eBay business, so let's unbox it. Now this is professional packaging. As you can see here, it's perfect. Like there's no space between this and the box whatsoever, which is pretty awesome. And they gave me some more packing materials, so sweet stuff. Definitely worked out. So this is what we picked up. Picked up a Smart Way. So we're gonna be using this as our scale for out here in the eBay business. I'm probably gonna put it in that corner. That makes the most sense. That definitely makes the most sense. Yeah, I'm gonna be putting it in that corner over there. So let's unbox this baby. So as you can see here, I have the display. It's actually blue. Not sure how good the camera is showing it right there, but it's just hidden right back here and it just connects straight to the actual unit that does the weighing. So we're gonna test it out. I'm gonna put the Flintstone cassette tape on here and just like that, 2.2. Awesome. I'm looking forward to using this when I'm shipping items out here. It'll be easier to list with this scale just being right here. So very much looking forward to it. And it has the capacity of 110 pounds. So awesome stuff. Could also just turn it off right there and it's good to go. So very excited to have this new little weighing station here for whenever I need it. So goodbye. I also finally sold one of my calculators. Let me just make sure that I have the right one that I need. All right, the L1197. That's this one, so we're gonna get it packaged up and ready to go. All right, as always, I'm gonna line the bottom up with some newspaper. I already have the unit all bubble wrapped up. And just like that, we're ready to ship out our occasion style sausage. All right, so we're actually gonna give this scale a nice little try here. I'm gonna plop my box onto the scale. 4 pounds and 3 ounces. So I'm just gonna mark that down and we're gonna see what my other scale weighs it at. All right, I just got done weighing the package in here and it weighed a little bit over 4 pounds as well. So very happy with the new scale and using it more for future packages. Again, if you want to check out the scale for yourself, there'll be a link down in the description below. Hey guys, what's going on? It is Thursday and we just made a pretty big sale, so let me show you guys what I sold. I actually just sold this Sony VCR, so very happy about this sale. We purchased this for I think around $5 or $6. I'll obviously have it on the screen, and sold it for $41.99 plus shipping. So we're gonna package this bad boy up with some bubble wrap in this Amazon box I actually just got a couple days ago. So it's gonna be a sweet and nice, easy packing deal. Boom, bubble wrap. Boom, newspaper. Boom, VCR in box with newspaper lining. Boom, just one more layer of newspaper just on the top to make sure that's perfectly covered by newspaper. All right, how much does this bad boy weigh? Let's see. So there, just like that. All right, so almost 7 pounds. At this point, I've just started ordering off of Amazon a little more because I feel like any boxes I actually get from Amazon I can use for my eBay business. So nice little tip there if you're just trying to get some extra boxes around. Just think, oh, what am I going to be shopping for anyways? Just buy it on Amazon and hopefully they send you a very nice box. Hey guys, so it is currently Sunday and not much has happened since I sold the VCR on Thursday. I did, however, stop at Goodwill, picked up a couple things. I picked up a Sony VHS tape pack of 6, so I just listed that, and I also picked up something at the bargain bin that I'll show you here right now. So I decided to pick up this pack of adult diapers. I picked this up for about $4, and I've seen comps that sold for 40 plus. Some of those comps included free shipping, so definitely going to make a good flip on this and looking forward to selling it. It's still new in package, it hasn't been tampered with. There's like a couple little nicks in the package, but that's just to be expected. But yeah, so pretty good find. All right, guys, so we're gonna be ending the video here. This is gonna be my profit for the week. And for next week, I'm predicting that it's gonna be a relatively slow week because I only have 20 something active listings at the moment. And I'm going to be trying to move a couple of my wife's LuLaRoe stuff onto her account. And she actually sold 2 LuLaRoe leggings. She sold one pair of LuLaRoe leggings for $6.50. She took a best offer on that plus shipping. And then she sold another one for I think $7.99, somewhere around there, maybe $6.99. I'll have it on the screen obviously, and that's what she sold it for. So all together in terms of sales, there's going to be my net profit on the screen. And next Saturday, there's actually going to be a really big community yard sale pretty close to where I live, so I'm going to be going over there. Next week's video is probably going to be mostly sourcing because at this point I don't anticipate a lot of sales. Like, I'll obviously add all of the sales that I get into the video, but mostly it's going to be sourcing for next week because very low on inventory at the moment, which is good. Actually hit over $1,000 in sales on my account, so very happy about that. And I hope you guys are enjoying the series. I've been seeing some serious growth in the YouTube channel and the comment section, so I appreciate that. So if you guys enjoyed the video, feel free to leave a like. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.